Hi everyone, I'm Jayson. There are heaps of completely free electrical calculators at elect.com/calculators. Today I want to show you this free cable sizing calculator to Australian standards. When you open the calculator, you'll see inputs and automatically calculated cable size results with a compliance check. There's also a PDF report. I'll quickly explain the main features and how to use the calculator, but it's super easy. Just so you know that underneath the calculator is a full tutorial video and heaps of technical material that explain how the calculations work that you can go through at any time. So let me explain the inputs of the calculator. So starting with the load section, you can enter the load as a current or a power, and you'll notice on the right hand side that the cable size results are updated instantly. You've got power factor and derating factor. There's a derating wizard, which you can step through to automatically calculate derating factors. You've got harmonics, where you can enter harmonic load currents and phase angles. Under supply, you've got one phase, three phase, DC and two phase. There's also three phase unbalanced, where you can enter the phase currents of all of the individual phases. We've got length of run. Again, you'll notice the results, the cable sizing results are updated instantly, including the voltage drop calculation. You've got fault level inputs. Under insulation, we've got all of the cable types from the standard, including aerial cables. And when you change that, you'll notice that the installation conditions change in the middle. We've got copper and aluminium conductors, as well as flexible conductors. You can change the material of the earth conductor. Obviously, there's single phase or multi-core cables. And in the middle, you've got the installation conditions. So you've got in air, exposed to sun, enclosed, and you've got buried installations. There's also a protection section. We can specify the protection as an MCB or an MCCB or ACB or a custom device, as well as fuses. Looking at the results here, you can also specify the active size. And again, you'll see this compliance check. And if the cable size doesn't comply, you'll see these warnings or errors. And you can go ahead and fix these errors. So in this case, 25 millimeters squared doesn't comply with voltage drop. So I'll switch it back to auto. You can do that with the neutral, the earth conductors as well. There is a details tab that provides all of the detailed results and calculation results. Then to get a report, just press generate report up the top, enter your project name and calculation name. You can upload a company logo, and you'll also enter your email address and email the report to yourself or to your customer. Here's what the cable size report looks like. You've got your project details, calculation details, your details, the installation conditions, your load, and all the cable size results, current capacity, fault loop impedance, pass or fail, voltage drop, pass or fail, short circuit performance, conduit sizing, which I didn't show you, protection, references to the standard, including the tables and column numbers, and some voltage drop calculation details. And there you have it, the free Australian cable sizing calculator. Happy calculating!